All right, here we go. Another packing video. It's been a while since we made one, so Robert and I thought we would both do just a packing video to show you what we're doing for just some summer family travel. So here we go, let's jump in. Okay, so I have got my regular carry-on bag. We are just doing checked bags, or not doing any checked bags, I should say. And so I just have some clothes already in there. I've got my undergarments, swimsuit, and nightwear there. Some socks. The raincoat, might be kind of rainy. We're going to the Midwest. A couple books and things here. I've got our packable hamper and some laundry items in there. This is a mouse. I'm bringing my laptop. And this is a sleep mask. And I've got another book there, and then electrolyte packets, yes. So bringing some cheers, just in case we decide to imbibe a little. Here's my C-Days packing list to help me. And so here's just a couple of toiletry items that I'm bringing in this pack. This is a shoe pack. We just got these from Begale, and this one's pretty cool. Yeah, so this is the shoe pack that we got with our new Begale packing cubes. Very spacious, actually. I didn't think that it would be. I didn't think that they would fit Robert's shoes, but we've tried Robert's shoes in there, and they are good there as well. So that's good. I've got my liquids here. I'm hoping this counts as a quart size. If not, I'll be throwing away some liquids, I suppose. This is another packing cube that I have. I've got vitamins in here. And then also just, again, some pretty casual stuff. T-shirts, I've got some leggings in there. Put that in there. I'll put the cheers in there with it. And all of this is going to go in that suitcase. Let's get it in. I'm going to keep my liquids on top, just in case that nasty TSA gets me. They like to get us for some reason. I think they take one look at Robert and I go, nah, let's do her trouble. I am going to put my laptop in here as well. Hopefully we don't have to take it out through security. That's always such a pain. There we go, all ready to go.